Hello my dear friends, this is Parinitha Patri and welcome to all of you beautiful people to PMC English. I am here in front of you with a beautiful Say Yes challenge which is meant to be done outdoors. Okay, and this week's Say Yes challenge, what is it? Let's find out. Okay my dear friends, this week's Say Yes challenge for you is to go for hiking or trekking. When was the last time you went hiking or trekking or climbed a mountain or did camping or something like that? So maybe this week or maybe sometime in this month or year, go for hiking or trekking. That is this week's Say Yes challenge my dear friends. Because inactivity is associated with many health issues such as cardiovascular disease, osteoporosis, coronary heart disease, diabetes and even certain types of cancer. And hiking is simply the activity going for long walks in the nature. Whereas trekking refers to much longer journeys such as in the Himalayas or similar to religious pilgrimages. Have you ever been to the Himalayas? There are such wonderful majestic mountains that you can do trekking upon. It is so wonderful. And for beginners, hiking is advised and it is important to not overstress your body on the first try. Let's start with small walks and increase based on your body's capacity. Prepare thoroughly for hiking my dear friends. And what are the things that you need to be prepared about? Research your route and the length. Don't assume that you will always have phone signal. Bring a compass, stay on track only and avoid getting lost. Prepare, make a plan and share it. And wear appropriate clothing for the weather. Appropriate props that you can use during traveling. And bring more than enough water and food. And we should also be prepared for accidents, carry first aid kits such as band-aids and bands and everything. Bring, just in case, some items, but also keep your bag light enough so that you can carry it and walk. And what are the safety tips that you need to do while hiking or trekking? Hike with a buddy when at all possible. Take someone along with you, or else you can do trekking or hiking with your family or friends or colleagues, however you want to do it. It's better to travel in a group. And avoid venturing off the beaten paths. Stay hydrated and bring drinking water along with you. And know where you are going ahead of time. You should know your direction, where you are headed. And keep an eye out for poison oak or dangerous itch-causing plants. They really are very, very dangerous. And avoid taking selfies near the edges of cliffs. Nowadays, everyone is on to selfies. They try to take dangerous selfies anywhere possible. Please take care of yourself when you are going for hiking and trekking. Take care that you do not fall into danger by taking dangerous selfies. So if it's a safe place, you can even try earthing and go barefoot. Barefoot walking is very, very important my dear friends for grounding purposes. You can get grounded to Mother Earth, you can get inclined to Mother Earth by doing barefoot walking. So what are the benefits of hiking or trekking? It lowers your risk of heart disease. It improves your blood pressure and blood sugar levels. It boosts bone density since walking is a weight-bearing exercise. And it builds strength in your gut, quadriceps, hamstrings and the muscles in your hips and lower legs. And it strengthens your core. And it improves your balance as well. And it boosts your mood. This research shows that hiking has a positive impact on combating the symptoms of stress and anxiety, says Gregory A. Miller, PhD, the president of the American Hiking Society. He also says that being in nature is ingrained in our DNA and we sometimes forget that. And Sir Edmund Hillary himself said that it is not the mountain that we conquer, but ourselves. So are you ready to conquer yourselves, my dear friends? Climb a mountain, do hiking, trekking, walk, do barefoot walking. Just be connected with nature once in a while and you can see the difference within yourself. So my dear friends, that is your Say Yes challenge of the week. Hope you like it and hope you go out and enjoy nature as it is. Thank you very much, my dear friends. This is Parinitha Patri signing off for now. I'll see you again next week. Sayonara. Namaste.